Hi, boys and girls. It's Mrs. Holmes again, and today we're doing Fundations Unit 10, Week 2, Day 3. We're going to have a quick review of some sounds, and then we're going to jump into some review words and a sentence or two. So let's begin. Let's read our trick words. Ready? Echo me. School, America, great, thought, picture, different. All right, now, boys and girls, I want you to, I hope you have your slides ready with your writing lines on it. And we are going to, first of all, practice writing some sounds. Echo me, K. Now, there are 3 ways to make the sound of K. Here's the first way. What is that? K, kite, K. So let's write that down. And the second way, K, is C, cat, K. So put your C. And the third way to make the sound of K is C, cake, sock, K. Okay, 3 ways to make the sound of K. Okay, echo me. Okay, there are 3 ways to make the sound of The first way, IR bird, and put a comma. Second way, ER, her, And the third way, UR, burn, So 3 ways to make the sound of Okay, now let's do the long sound of I. Echo me. I, hi, I. And so we'll just write I with a macron up above it. Draw your line or your comma. I, pine, I. So you put I and then the consonant and the E. You put your macron up above the I, pine, I. Put your comma. And finally we have Y, cry, I. Y makes the sound of I at the end of some words if it's a 1-syllable word. Let's see. And that would be with a I over the top with a long I. Okay, so 3 ways to make the sound of long I. 3 ways to make the sound of K. 3 ways to make the sound of and 3 ways to make the sound of I. Let's go through those. Now, boys and girls, read to me the sounds for the sound of K. Echo me. K, K, and K. The sounds of IR, ER, UR. And the sounds of long I consonant E, Y cry I. Show your teacher your slide. And new slide. Okay, now we're going to do the long sound of A. Echo me. Acorn, A. Write the sound of A with a line over it, a macron over it, and a comma. AI, bait, A. That's the double vowel sound. AI. Let's go ahead and circle it. A, safe, A. So we put A, consonant E there. And put your A like that. A, safe, A. And finally, we have AY, play, A. Right, AY, play, A. All right, now while we're at it, let's go ahead and do a few glued sounds. Echo me. O-N-G, song, on. Okay, let's write O-N-G. And you would put the box around it. It's kind of a funky looking box. O-N-G, song, on. And the next sound, U-N-G, ung, lung. U-N-G, lung. U-N-G, lung. Now, did you notice that both of these have the N-G on the end? The only thing that's different is the beginning sound. Ong, ung. And we'll do one more. Echomy. I-N-G, ring, ing. This one is I-N-G. Oh, look, there's another N-G glued sound. Okay, so we have A, A-I, A consonant E, and A-Y for long A sounds. For glued sounds, O-N-G, song, ong, U-N-G, lung, ung, I-N-G, ring, ing. All right, good job. Show your teacher your screen. And new slide. All right, let's practice some words now. Echomy. Crane. I saw a crane on the river. Crane. And this time, crane means it's a type of bird. Crane. Now, if you're thinking of crane as a type of truck, it's spelled the same way. Crane. Now, we can either have A-Y, A-I, or A consonant E. Wait a minute, hold on. A consonant E. There we go. All right, so crane. Ain. Now we know it has an A, but does it have A-I, A-Y? Well, we know it has to have, it can't be A-I because it's, or A-Y because it's not in the middle of the word. It could be A-I. Which one would look right? It would be this one, C-R-A-N-E, or this one, C-R-A-I-N, crane. Which one would be correct? That's right, C-R-A-N-E. Let's go ahead and scoop it, crane, mark the macron, cross out the E, and it is a vowel consonant E word. Vowel consonant E. All right, next word, next slide. Echomy. Fainted. When the girl was sick, she fainted. We'll start with faint. 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 So a. Ooh, the long A sound is in the middle. Faint. Faint. What do you think? Would it be? Well, it can't be A-Y. Would it be with A-I? Or would it be, oh, there's two consonants. Oh, when there's two consonants at the end of the word, it can't be A consonant E. So it can only be A-I. Oh, good thing we remembered that rule. With two consonants at the end, it has to be A-I. Okay, circle the A-I, faint, scoop it. And it's a double vowel word. And now we're going to put the suffix id. Echomy, fainted. That's right. We put ed, and the sound that it makes is id, id. Write that up on the top. We don't scoop it. We do need to underline faint because that's the base word. And we do not scoop the ed. Fainted. Show your teacher your work. Okay, nice job. Next word. Echomy. Delayed. First syllable, D. Second syllable, laid. Ready? Delayed. If the train was delayed, it was late. D, D, E, and that's the first syllable. Laid. L. Now, if we take the suffix off and make the word delay, the long A sound is at the end of the word, so it has to be AY. Delay. But I want to have the suffix on the end. Delayed. What would the suffix be? That's right, ED. So let's circle the suffix, delayed, underline the word delay, scoop it, delay, and then we know that the E is a long vowel, so put a macron above the long E, D, and that is open. Lay, circle the AY, and that, what kind of syllable is that? That's right, double vowel. Delayed. Show your teacher your work. And next screen. Okay. Echo me. Trays. The food was on trays. Now, this word has a suffix on the end, trays. What sound makes the Z? Well, the letter Z, but also the suffix S, trays. Let's start at the beginning. A, tray. Ooh, which one does it have to be if it's at the end? That's right, AY, tray. And how would you add the suffix? Trays. You would just add an S. Circle it and underline the word tray because that's the base word. Circle that AY because it's the double vowel. Scoop the word tray, and it is a double vowel word. Trays. All right, good job, boys and girls. All right, it's time for a sentence. Here we go. Echo me. I thought I was going to be late for school. I thought I was going to be late for school. Okay. Make sure it's a capital I thought, ooh, we practiced that one, THOUGHT, thought. I thought I was, now was is a trick word, W-A-S, was. I thought I was going, let's go, ing is a suffix, go, ing, I-N-G. I thought I was going to, T-O, be late. Ooh, vowel consonant E word. L-A-T. Vowel consonant E, late. I thought I was going to be late for school. For, F-O-R, school. Oh, that's another trick word. S-C-H-O-O-L. We practiced that one. I thought I was going to be late for school. Show your teacher your work when you're done. Make sure you have your capitals and your periods in there and that you have spaces between every word. It's been a great day. I'll See you next time.